Well, for a lot of today, we just had cloudy skies. A few showers this morning, but most of the morning hours was dry. We got in the early afternoon, it was the same story. It was late this afternoon as you were getting out of work, you were heading home. That's when the heavens decided to open up, and it's been pretty much a steady rain ever since here in Springfield. 50 degrees, winds are breezy out of the north. They were downright windy earlier tonight, though, when we had gusts over 30 miles per hour. That threat for stronger winds is now shifting east of Highway 65 across southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Here's a look at the rainfall totals across the area. Most areas have already seen some rainfall. Here in Springfield, officially over ½ an inch out of the airport. But here at Fox 49, we've picked up 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. And take a look at the temperatures today. They responded to that rain moving in. Managed to get to about 59 at noon, and then the rain started to creep in. And that helped force temperatures down through the 50s, where we're sitting at 50 degrees right now, and we have been sitting at 50 for the last several hours. As far as rain, the area blanketed most of the area with rainfall. There's been a little bit of a donut hole in that rain around Ava, Mountain Grove, and West Plains, but that'll fill in some, I think, before it comes to an end. The emphasis for heavier rain, though, I think is shifting from southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas, and I think it'll start shifting over here into southeast Missouri and northeast Arkansas. This is on the northern edge of a stormy region of weather that extends down to the Gulf Coast, where we've had some severe weather throughout the day today. The core of the storm, though, is still located here in northeast Texas. And as that storm system interacts with this stalled frontal boundary, well, this is serving as a focus for rain. It's a rain magnet, and we're going to find it throughout the night tonight in those areas. So this is 9 o'clock. Let's take you through the rest of the overnight hours. And you can see that band of steadier, heavier rain through midnight from Arkansas across southeast Missouri. It continues into the morning hours of Thursday, but it looks like it'll start peeling off to the east by 7 a.m. Clouds will linger, but they'll thin out pretty quickly from west to east throughout the morning hours, so that by lunchtime, most of the area is enjoying sunny skies. But clouds will fill back in from northwest to southeast, and with those clouds, maybe a few very isolated showers or sprinkles from about Highway 65 east and north of the state line. That would be mid to late afternoon into the early evening. Temperatures tonight, they're cool. They'll cool off a few more degrees down to about 47. Highs tomorrow, not bad, 64. Winds will howl, though, from late morning through the afternoon, when we'll find gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. You can see how those winds will increase. Not too bad during the first half of the morning. But they'll ramp up in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range from late morning, and that'll continue through the afternoon before dying down again tomorrow evening. On Friday, not a bad day. Sunny skies, lighter winds. Temperatures looking pretty warm. Looks like up near 70 degrees in most spots, about 69 for a high in Springfield. That brings us to the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Great days for stuff outside. The only issue is going to be the wind, especially on Saturday, when I think we'll once again have gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour. But it's going to be breezy again on Sunday as well. Highs near 80 on Saturday, lows near 60 Sunday morning, and then it looks like highs in the low 80s on Sunday. Now, with the warmth, as we get into next week, we're going to find humidity building north out of the Gulf of Mexico, and that will lay the foundation for a risk of active weather at times across the middle of the country. So I think here locally in our area, I think we're probably going to get through Monday with quiet weather, but starting Monday night through maybe Thursday of next week, there may be at least one, possibly two episodes of strong to severe storms impacting our area.
We'll have to keep an eye out for that. Tonight, though, just wet out there.
Just wet, no severe weather. I did see one flash of lightning, though, earlier this evening here in Springfield.
Just one.
You know, there are two types of dogs in this weather: the dogs who refuse to go outside and do their business, and others who just soak it all in.
Don't want to come back in, and
those
they're
are
just
mine.
getting wetter and wetter.
Arguably, that's worse.
That is.
All right. Thanks, Jamie. Well, of course.